Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with my channel, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button since you're already here. Today we're going to be doing a little arm and back workout inspired by ballet and Pilates. So let's begin on a tabletop. We're going to start with a couple of cat and cow. So as you exhale, let's breathe into a cat and inhale looking to the sky into a cow. Another exhale to a cat. Inhale to a cow, warming up our spine. Exhale to a cat, belly button to spine. Inhale to a cow. Exhale to a cat. And inhale to a cow. Excellent. Let's find a neutral spine again, and this time take your hands a little bit further away. Let's start with a couple of push-ups, some modified push-ups on our knees, bending down, keeping your elbows close to your body as you exhale, and breathe in as you set your seat back. Let's do that again, a full push-up to the front, sitting our hips back, warming up our hips and our shoulders. Exhale into a push-up, inhale, sit your seat back. Last time, exhale to a push-up, sit your seat back. Excellent work. If you'd like, you can stay in a child's pose or continue with a couple of more of these push-up modifications if you'd like to challenge yourself a little bit today. Now, if you are not in a child's pose, please take a child's pose for now. We'll meet there together. If you've been staying in a child's pose, feel free to take your hands by your side to release your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's slowly roll up. Take your head and your ear one side to the other side, and let's stretch out our triceps and our shoulders. So take your elbow in your hand and pull it over to the opposite side. And let's switch arms, a little tricep stretch to begin today. Take the arm that's above your head, pull it across your body with your other hand, stretching out your bicep and your tricep. And let's switch sides. And why don't we meet into a downward facing dog? Both hands and both feet on the floor, feet hip width apart. Press your hands into the floor, send your seat up high. Try to straighten out and lengthen your spine in your downward facing dog. Again, just warming up, doing what you need to do here, whether that's raising your heels off the floor, bending your knees, taking your hips side to side, moving forward and back a little bit to lubricate those shoulder blades, those hip joints, and your ankle joints. Take a couple of inhales and exhales here. And in the next inhale, we're going to shoot forward into a high plank. So let's exhale here and inhale to a high plank. Exhale back to our down dog. Warming up our shoulders. Inhale to a high plank. Exhale to a down dog, heels down. Inhale to a high plank. Exhale to a down dog. Let's do it again. Inhale to a high plank. Let's stay here. Bring your feet in. Firing up those abdominals, and I want you to just touch your hip from side to side, kind of like a modified twist here in a plank. So you're just going to twist your spine a bit, tap your hip down, back to a neutral plank, tap your head down as you exhale on the other side, and find a neutral plank again. On the next exhale, let's go back into our downward dog, find our downward dog, and breathe a couple of times here. Maybe keeping your feet together this time, raising your heels, getting deeper into the stretch. And on the next inhale, let's find our high plank again. Feet together this time. On the next exhale, I want you to bring your right knee to your elbow or to your chest. Back to a plank. Exhale, left knee in towards our chest. Exhale to a plank. Exhale, bring your right knee to the outside of your body. Bring it back. Exhale, bring your left knee to the side of your elbow and bring it back. Excellent. Let's repeat that from the beginning. Right knee goes to our chest and in. Left knee goes to our chest and in. Right knee goes to the outside of our right side, and our left knee also bends back. Excellent. Move through your chaturanga nice and slow. Feel free to take your knees down here as you exhale down all the way on the floor with your head facing the floor. Take your hands clasped behind you and relax your chest, your upper back, everything. Just relax here. In the next inhale, I want you to take your hands hovering off the floor, engage your abdominals, squeeze your glutes, engage your legs, take your hands above, and we're just gonna hover them, place them up into a triangle above your head and back in to work our lats. Let's do a few more. Bring them back, elbows towards our back and forward. Back and forward, hovering off the floor. Our fingers do not touch the floor here. Keep them hovering. If you'd like to challenge yourself, lift your legs off too to challenge the back of your legs and the back of your back and the lower spine. If this is too much though, keep your legs on the floor. If you'd like to challenge yourself even further, take your chest off the floor, keep your gaze down as you don't want to strain your neck, and continue with these lateral arm raises. Now clasp your hands behind your head and let's look to our left side, keeping our body where it is, just lifting our left shoulder and down. And let's look to our right side, lifting our right shoulder and back down. Relax all the way down on the floor. Amazing work. Take your knees, little window wiper stretch to release your lower back. And feel free to take a child's pose here as well to really relax into your low back and let everything exhale. That was really great work. For the next one, we're going to be doing a couple of opposite arm to leg Pilates reaches. So find that tabletop, press your hands and your knees into the floor, raise your left leg and your right arm, and the exhale, elbow and knee come in, and in the inhale, they reach forward. Let's do 5. Exhale in, inhale, reach, exhale in, inhale, reach, exhale in last time, inhale, reach, and let's bring them side to side after this very last one. Exhale, bring them to the side in a lateral movement. 2, 3, 4, keep your tummy engaged, your belly button moving towards your spine. Place your hand down, flip your hips to the front. Make sure that you're supporting the side of your body in a side plank. Lift your leg off the floor. Do not let it drop. And release it all back to neutral spine and a neutral position in your tabletop. Sit back a little bit, stretch out your hips, release your back, and let's do the same thing on the second side with the right leg going back and the left arm going forward. I messed up here, so I just need to try that again. Left hand forward, right leg back. Let's go. Exhale in, inhale out. Exhale in, inhale, reach. Exhale in, inhale, reach. Exhale in, inhale, reach. Exhale in, inhale, reach. Bring it to the side and in. Exhale out, inhale, reach. Exhale out, inhale, reach. Exhale out to the side. Keep it to the side. Make sure to lift the side of your body. Take your hand, flip your hips towards the back of the wall or me or the back of the room. Release it all down to a neutral spine again. Find your tabletop again, and on the inhale, you're going to reach your right hand up towards the ceiling, and on the exhale, you're going to thread it through your left side. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Keep your pelvis neutral. Don't keep moving your hips all the way around. Last one. And release down. Let's do the left arm. Inhale, reach to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale, reach it to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Last time, inhale to the ceiling. Exhale, thread through. Inhale to the ceiling and release it down. Amazing work. Let's do a few modified push-ups. This time, instead of keeping your fingers facing the front, I want you to face your fingers in and your elbows out. So go down if you need to reset where your hands are a little bit more forward. Feel free to do so. And when you go down, you want to try to touch your nose to the floor and push yourself back up with your fingers facing each other. Let's do a few more. One more. And we finish. Sit back if you need to. Relax. The next ones we're going to do are these little arm pulses. So take your arms out to the side, palms down. Let's pulse it down for 20. Flip the palms up for 20, pulsing up. Flip the palms back for 20. Flip them forward for 20. Flip them down for 20. Let's do it all again. Flip your palms up for 20. Flip them to the back for 20. And flip them to the front for 20. After we finish 20 flipping to the front, we're going to do that weird one with our palms facing down, bring them in towards our sides, elbows touching our hips. Let's flip them now. And relax. Oh my goodness, I know my arms are going to be a little bit sore tomorrow, so don't forget to stretch. Let's take our arms to one side. Pull it up over your head. Let's look to the ceiling as we side bend a little bit. And switch sides, the opposite arm in front this time. And flip it to the back as well to do a little side bend to the other side, looking up to the ceiling. Very last one, take your biggest inhale and push away all the negativity in your mind, body, and soul away as you exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.